In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear window wiper arm on your Kia Sportage. Whether your wiper arm is broken, worn out, or not functioning properly, this guide will help you get the job done quickly and easily. Before removing the wiper arm, place a piece of tape on the rear window at the tip of the wiper blade. This will serve as a guide for reinstalling the new arm in the correct position. At the base of the wiper arm, you will see a small plastic cap. Gently pull on the outer side to open the cap. You will see a small nut holding the arm in place. Use a 12mm socket to loosen and remove this nut. Keep the nut safe as you will need it for the new arm. After removing the nut, gently wiggle the wiper arm back and forth to loosen it. Over time, corrosion or debris can make the arm difficult to remove. In this case, spray some WD-40 on the shaft. Then use a wiper arm puller tool like this one. Place the puller over the wiper arm base and slowly tighten it to lift the arm off the shaft. Take the new wiper arm and align it with the wiper motor shaft. Ensure it's positioned correctly so the wiper blade will rest on its proper position on the window. Hand tighten the retaining nut first. Then use a torque wrench to tighten it to the specified torque, 8.8 to 10.8 Nm or 6.5 to 8 pound-feet. Proper tightening ensures the arm is secure without damaging the motor shaft. Close the cap over the nut. Turn on the rear window wiper to test its operation. Check that it moves without restriction and rests at the correct position. Finally, remove the masking tape from the rear window and you are done. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WheelsJoint for more car maintenance tutorials. Thanks for watching.